Hi, I'm Peter Sidwell. Now I have just made the most amazing lemon iced buns. A blast from the past. I remember as a kid getting these and I loved them. So I thought I'd get in the kitchen and make some more. This is how I did it. First thing you need to do is 250 grams of strong bread flour into a mixing bowl. To that, add 250 grams of plain flour. Then you want some custard powder, about a tablespoon, some sugar, and some salt. Blend them all together with your hands sort of in an open texture and really make sure that everything is mixed through. Add in your yeast and then add in some warm milk. You want it sort of room temperature. You don't want it straight from the fridge. To mix the dough, use your hand in an open kind of claw motion. Roll it around the bowl until you end up with a soft ball of dough on your hands. Then add in the butter. Mix the butter into the dough and then transfer it onto a lightly floured work surface and knead for 10 minutes. When the dough is nice and smooth and springy and stretches back when you move it, it's ready to prove. So put it back into your mixing bowl, wrap it in cling film and leave it to prove for about 45 minutes until it doubles in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, it's ready to scoop out onto a work surface, knock all the air out and then divide it into 12 equal portions. Roll them into little bread rolls and pop them into your muffin tin. Then leave them to prove for another 30 minutes. They should double in size. Preheat your oven 180 degrees and bake for 20 minutes or until golden. To ice these, all I've done is I've mixed icing sugar and lemon juice until I get a really nice smooth texture but quite stiff, and then just put a tablespoon on top of each bun and then they're done.